Moving on to AUDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, from a 4-hour perspective, we have come down to like the lowest demand zone possible before seeing a bullish reaction, which could mean that we could be ready to start targeting the week's swing high. Although for me, this is only confirmed when we break this order flow, and then we can look for those higher probability longs up towards the week's swing high. For now, this supply zone is in control, and we could see a sell-off from this level. However, if we do go down onto the 4-hour time frame, it does look good for some temporary upside at least. As you can see, we've got our 4-hour break of structure down, swing high, swing low. We've got some nice descending liquidity here, which is a nice obvious target. So I'd like to see that get taken before we see any shorts. Just remember that the highest probability longs does come when we break this level and then we come back down to retest it. As this high here also is relatively strong because it liquidated this high here. If we go down there onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is that we've had our most recent 1-hour break of structure here, swing low, swing high. We've come down and we've liquidated this point of liquidity. We then switched bullish, breaking this supply zone, creating this nice area of demand where I'll happily be looking for a nice long position if we do manage to get a retracement in towards this level. Moving on to NZDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we had the break of structure in towards the downside over here. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. Now, we were calling last week that this was our liquidity target, may even potentially take out this liquidity high here, and then we can look for any potential short positions. It does seem that NZD is gaining some more strength now, and we could even be ready to trade it up even higher. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've got our break of structure here, swing high and our swing low. We haven't yet quite broken this, but I do anticipate this high to get broken. This high is also a relatively strong high because it liquidated this high over here, and therefore if we do manage to get a break of this high, I'll be aggressively scaling in on any of these liquidity lows, which could then push that price back up in towards the highs. The reason for this is the fact that we break this high here does say to me that we've got quite a lot of bullish momentum coming in, and that I do anticipate some higher prices.